Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? So I am recording an Instagram fashion reel. Yeah, I'm really excited. It's my first time doing a fashion reel. I'm gonna be doing the one that says Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. That's the one I'm doing. That was a bit dramatic, but anyways, that's what we're about to do. And I'm just gonna post the camera so you guys can see a little behind the scenes. So let me show you guys the different outfits first and foremost. So I actually have all my outfits right here. Here's one, yellow and black, that all green. So yeah, just some cute little different spring options. This is what I look like right now. I still have my pajama top with some sweats, and we're about to get this thing on and popping. I'm about to put on the first outfit. I don't know which one I want for Monday. I probably want a casual because it's Monday, so I probably will do this one Monday, then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So we'll see. All right, let's go. Actually, maybe this one I have on right now will be the first one for Monday. I think that'll be a fun concept. Yeah, so I'm gonna do the first one as this outfit for Monday. Let me just get my tripod so you guys can see. By the way, the video I recorded with the new beauty room stuff turned out great, if I do say so myself. Hold on. All right, so this is where I'm gonna be standing with my outfits. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the first one. I'm gonna just model really quick with this one. My camera and stuff is over there. Oh, all right, I'm gonna go put on the first outfit, so stay right there. Got the remote down. All right, so this is outfit 2. For the first outfit, I have on these pants. These are from Loft Outlet. And then I have this little crop top, off the shoulder top. And this is gonna be the first outfit that we do our transition with. All right, here's outfit number 2. All right, so here's the second outfit. This green top, these green pants, these flower shoes, and then this headband. I'm sorry you guys can't see my face. I probably should move the camera. All right, next outfit. So this is the next outfit. We have this brown bag, this brown top, white pants, my rose gold heels, and then for my headband, I am wearing a belt around my head that broke. Oh shoot, this belt matches the link on my thing, so I put it on my head. Yes, it's a belt, but it's broken, so we're gonna make it do what it do. All right, it's just gonna have to stay. Let's do it. All right, here's the next outfit. We have this brown skirt. We have this long sleeve shirt. We have this bag. And then we have my clear nude heels. Ooh, child, that's hot. All right, let's. This is the next outfit. We have this cute silky yellow skirt, my MK bag, and then this black bodysuit. Keep shaking it. This black bodysuit, and then I have these black heels with a little thing on it. Super cute. All right, I only have one more outfit after this. I started scratching my ear in the middle of it. So I do 3 takes of each so I can pick the best. All right, last outfit. All right, this is the last outfit. We have this bag, my Coach bag that I never wore yet. We have the orange bodysuit. You guys remember this from my fall collection line. Still haven't worn it out yet, but I will soon. And then we have my usual tan little mules. So it's the last outfit. Let's get it. We are done. But yeah, we about to edit this thing. Let me find the thingy thing first.
So tell us what you're like this. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
So it starts with Monday. All right. This is so fun. I need to drink some water. My throat is so dry. All right, so I got the Monday. Now we need Tuesday.
Tuesday.
This is so fun. All right, what was Thursday?
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Here it is.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
I'll show it again.
Saturday, Sunday, Monday.
I gotta get my timing right.
Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday,
We did it. All right, I'm about to post it on my Instagram. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Here.